Hi there, sixth graders. Mr. Kerr here, and we are going to be taking a look at the last week, week 16, final week, and suggested schedule, and also the end of the semester. So it's really important that you get everything done as soon as you can, hopefully by this weekend. But Monday the 21st at the very, very latest, 3 p.m. is the cutoff date. But let me just show you real quick. Here in week 16, down here in the Unit 1 folder, you'll do a review, kind of this review with some questions in the Western Hemisphere. It's a discussion board, so questions and responses and everything. And then the semester 1 final quiz. This will be a little bit different. You can take it multiple times, but I'm not going to be adjusting it and opening it. It will just be open, but do the review first. And let's really try to, as you see your schedule here, and that Monday through Friday, let's really try to get everything done by Friday. You will have until 3 p.m. on Monday the 21st if you have anything past due or something like that to get in. But let's really try to follow the schedule Monday through Friday. And then that's it for the semester. And as I've told you guys, I will be taking off. I will not be your teacher second semester. Miss Lindblom will be taking over for this second semester. But it's been great. Please let me, call, email, text if you have any questions at all. Happy to respond, but please do that earlier in the week. Do not wait till the end. Certainly don't wait till the weekend. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.